So here's how you can draw while screen recording on the iPad, and let's get into it. So naturally on your iPad, you can swipe down to access the control center and locate the screen recording toggle. So if you do not have it, tap on the plus button, then add a control and add the screen recording to be quickly accessible. Then you can just tap on it, the countdown will begin, and everything on the screen will get captured. Now, if you want to teach something or draw with the Apple Pencil while you're screen recording, you need to use some sort of software. So the built-in solution like the Apple Notes app works okay. I guess you can use it for this, depends on what exactly you need, but yeah, you can draw and you have some different tools within it, so I guess it would work fine. However, if you would need something a bit more professional, I would recommend you to go with the GoodNotes or Notability, which are like the a little bit advanced note-taking apps, which are basically designed for handwritten notes with Apple Pencil on the iPad. So you can explore those options, or you can get a dedicated drawing app from the App Store, which is like, you get a blank canvas and you can literally just scribble and draw on it while everything is being captured on the screen, is everything is being saved. So that's like one of the important things you need to know. Obviously, once you're done, you tap on the screen recording button and it should be saved into your gallery and it all should be good to go. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if it did in fact work for you. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later in the next tutorials.